It's hard to miss just how much artificial intelligence is, well, woven into our daily lives now.
It really is everywhere.
And the predictions are staggering. I mean, the AI market is expected to hit something like $1.8 trillion by 2030,
That's a huge number.
which, naturally leads to the question, how could you, listening right now, maybe tap into this?
And what's really interesting, I think, is that the power of AI isn't just for the big tech giants anymore.
Exactly.
We're seeing a real surge in user-friendly AI tools that pretty much anyone can use in some really inventive ways.
Yes, and that's precisely what we're diving into for you today. First up, we're going to explore the fascinating world of AI avatar generator.
Right. Creating digital versions of yourself or maybe entirely new characters.
Yeah, perfect for everything from videos to like profile pictures.
The ability to generate these realistic digital representations, whether it's us or, fictional personas, it just unlocks a ton of creative possibilities for online stuff, content creation.
Totally. Then in the second part of our chat, we're shifting focus to something I know is on a lot of people's minds. How you might actually use these AI tools and others to potentially generate some income in 2025.
And the exciting part there is you really don't need to be a tech guru to get started.
Not at all. We're talking potential side hustles, maybe new business ideas. It's a pretty broad range of opportunities.
We're seeing a real democratization of tech, if you like.
Yeah.
Sophisticated AI stuff is becoming accessible to folks without advanced coding skills, opening up new ways to, make a living or supplement income.
So that's our focus for this deep dive, really tailored for you, exploring the cool world of AI avatars and then uncovering some practical ways you could potentially earn money using AI tools next year. We'll also touch on the ethics, importantly.
Yeah, that's crucial.
Okay, let's get into it, starting with those AI avatar generators.
Right, let's kick off with the video AI avatar generators. There are several platforms making pretty significant waves in 2025.
Okay. First on our list is DID. What's really impressive about DID, I think, is its knack for creating incredibly lifelike, interactive avatars just from images or videos.
Yeah, it's like giving a photo a voice, essentially.
Oh, exactly.
And the tech behind it allows for a lot of personalization. You can really tailor the avatar and create these interactive agents that can listen and respond super fast.
How fast are we talking?
They claim under 2 seconds with over 90% accuracy, which is pretty quick.
Wow.
They also use something called Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG. Basically, it helps the AI pull in outside info in real time.
Ah, so the responses are more up-to-date and accurate.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Really useful for, say, informational bots where reliability is key.
And it's not just static faces, right? DID does real-time video creation.
Yep, and it integrates with various platforms too. So if you're thinking about a digital helper for your website or something.
Could be a really compelling option. And they have a free trial.
They do. Plans start at $5.90 a month, apparently. Pretty accessible.
Okay. Good to know. What's next?
Another strong one in the video space is Colossian. Their main angle seems to be more professional use cases, especially training videos.
Right, I saw that. Colossian really leans into avatars for things like employee training modules, high-def avatars, easy-to-add quizzes.
Makes training maybe a bit less dull.
Hopefully.
What's cool is their scenario-based training feature. You can have avatars talking to each other realistically.
Nice.
And they've got a huge selection, over 150 avatars and voices, plus localization in 80-plus languages.
That's vital for global businesses.
Absolutely. And they offer enterprise solutions for bigger companies. Pricing starts at $27 a month after the trial.
Okay. Next up, Synthesia. Also focused on realistic avatars for video, but they have a standout feature, right? Using your own voice.
That's a big one. Personalizing the avatar with your actual voice. Great for branding, keeping things consistent.
Yeah, I can see that. How many avatars do they offer?
Over 80, apparently. Different styles, selfie, studio, even animated mascots. Plus, multilingual voice cloning in 28 languages, and automated translation for scripts into 75 languages.
Wow, 75 languages with one click. That's a massive time saver.
Definitely. They also have an AI storyboard feature, can turn articles or PowerPoints into video.
PPTX to video. Useful.
Yeah, and avatar dialogue, screen recording.
Yeah.
Pretty comprehensive. They have free and paid plans, starting around $23 a month.
Gotcha. Okay, one more in the video category. Deep Brain AI. Their big claim is speed, right?
Yeah, lifelike avatars and text-to-video content in supposedly just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's seriously fast.
It is. They have a big library, too, over 100 licensed avatars, different ages, ethnicities, professions.
So you can probably find one that fits your needs.
Likely, yeah. And their text-to-speech supports over 80 languages, 100-plus voices,
Hmm.
plus an intuitive online editor, templates, backgrounds, auto-subtitles. The avatars have natural gestures, lip sync.
And you can use your own images to make custom ones.
You can. They have a free option to try, with paid plans starting at $29 a month.
Okay, so those are some heavy hitters for video avatars. But what if you just want, like, a still image avatar, not animated?
There are good tools for that, too. Photo, for example, known for being user-friendly and really focused on artistic styles.
Artistic, yeah. So turning your photos into, what, cartoon style? Watercolor?
Exactly. Things like that. Realistic, too, but definitely leaning into cool visual effects for, say, social media profiles.
Nice. Does it do anything else?
It integrates with video conferencing like Zoom and Teams, offers virtual backgrounds, head tracking for eye contact.
Oh, the eye contact thing is clever.
Yeah, and it generates 3D avatars locally, which some people might like for privacy reasons. Plus, free sign-up.
Good deal. Then there's VidNaz, focused more on marketing.
Seems that way, creating lifelike avatars from images, specifically for marketing and content like AI courses or slideshow videos.
Slideshows with talking heads, basically.
Kind of, yeah, but with real-time speech and hand movements to make them more engaging.
Right, adds a bit more dynamism.
It offers real-time facial animation, integrates with conferencing tools, works cross-platform, big library of avatars and GIFs, or use your own photos.
And the cost.
It's free, with optional in-app purchases for extra stuff.
Okay, now what about making these avatars move? Animation.
Yep, animated AI avatar generators. Hey Jen is a big name here.
Right, AI video generation, realistic avatars synced with text-to-speech, turns a still image into a talking head.
Pretty much. And they have an outfit generator too, so you can customize clothes.
Oh, interesting detail.
Rounds, templates, custom scenes. They have a free option for short videos, paid plans, start around $24 a month.
Okay. What else for animation? Magic AI.
Magic AI, yeah. Offers a bunch of tools for creating and animating avatars in different art styles.
And they have a mobile app?
This seems to be a key feature, yeah.
Yeah.
Quick generation of headshots or full-body avatars on your phone. They boast over 200 styles.
200 styles.
And mass generation up to 200 avatars at once. Plus a one-click enhancement thing. It's freemium, so free with paid upgrades.
Gotcha. Last one in this group, Vidyard. Different approach again. Personalized for video messages.
Exactly. You can train it with a short video of yourself, and it creates an avatar that mimics your look and voice.
Wow, that's quite personalized.
It is, though they offer stock avatars too if you prefer.
That personal touch could be really effective for, like, sales outreach or team comms.
Could be. They also have text-to-video, support 25-plus languages with auto-translation, integrate with their own Vidyard tools, easy sharing.
And pricing.
Free plan gets you stock avatars and AI script generation. Pro plans start at $19 a month.
So yeah, a huge range of options for creating a digital presence.
It really is.
Yeah.
Different styles, features, price points, something for pretty much everyone, from personal fun to serious business use.
Totally. It's fascinating how varied the landscape has become.
Okay, so we've explored creating digital selves or digital beings.
Yeah.
Now let's pivot. Let's talk about the bit I know many are keen on. How can we actually, make some money using AI tools in 2025? Right. This is where it gets really interesting because these tools becoming so accessible is opening doors for people without, like, a deep tech background.
Let's start with the big one, ChatGPT. It's way more than just a Q&A bot now, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile for AI writing, content creation, science, business, sports, pretty much anything.
So how do we turn those AI words into, well, cash?
Well, one big way is starting a freelance writing business. Offering services like copywriting, writing marketing stuff, or content writing like blogs and articles. ChatGPT can help generate ideas, draft content.
Okay, what else?
You could create and sell ebooks or write product descriptions for e-commerce sites. Lots of demand for good descriptions.
And what's the potential earning-wise, realistically, starting out?
Estimates vary, of course, but with consistent effort building clients, maybe somewhere in the $30,000 to $100,000 per month range.
That's pretty significant potential. Any tips?
Definitely focus on SEO optimization. Making sure your website or content gets found by search engines like Google. That's key for visibility.
Right, SEO.
Sure.
Okay, that's writing. What about visuals? Midjourney. That's huge for AI art.
Exactly. Midjourney is fantastic for anyone leaning towards visual arts, graphic design.
So you don't need, like, years of art school to create cool stuff.
Having an eye helps, for sure. But Midjourney massively lowers the barrier. You could potentially make money selling AI-created logos to startups.
Oh, interesting niche.
Or digital art, illustrations on Etsy, Redbubble, Fiverr, designing t-shirts for Teespring, book covers, social media graphics, even NFTs, if that's your thing.
Wow, a whole new world for digital artists. Okay, let's talk about something I've seen popping up. Faceless YouTube channels using AI. Sounds kind of mysterious.
It's a big trend. And that "How do I" YouTube transcript breaks down the steps really well.
Okay, walk us through it. How do you start an AI-powered faceless channel?
First step is finding your niche. Then, importantly, research competitors. Look for channels with high views, even if subscribers aren't massive, means YouTube likes their stuff.
Right, check what the algorithm is promoting. Then what?
Then use AI tools like TubeMagic scripts to generate video scripts. But you need to review and tweak them, make them engaging, fit your style.
So AI helps write, but you still need human input. What about the voice? Can't be silent.
That's where tools like 11 Labs come in.
Yeah.
Really realistic AI voices.
Right.
You can even create a custom voice for your channel for branding.
A custom AI voice, that's next level. And the visuals without showing your face.
You can generate an AI character with Leonardo AI, maybe using prompts from ChatGPT, then animate it with DID so it looks like it's talking.
Okay.
You'd also generate supporting images with Leonardo AI, again from text prompts, maybe animate those a bit too.
Right, so you've got the script, voice, visuals, all AI assisted, then you have to put it all together.
Exactly. Edit it using tools like Capwing, add the voiceover, images, text captions are good, background music.
Thumbnails too, right? Crucial for clicks.
Absolutely critical. Canva's great for design. You can even A/B test different thumbnails. And finally, channel SEO. Use keywords, research with ChatGPT and titles, descriptions so people find you.
It really sounds like an AI-powered production line. What's the earning potential here?
Once you hit YouTube's monetization criteria, estimates suggest maybe $50,000 to Hero 3,000 a month. Big range, depends on niche, quality, engagement.
Still serious potential. Okay, let's shift again. Copy.ai. Sounds like AI for writing, but specifically marketing.
Precisely. Copy.ai specializes in AI for marketing and ad creation.
How do you make money with that?
You can use it to generate high-converting ad copy for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It can help automate email marketing content, too.
So selling your skills using the tool.
Yeah, offer AI ad writing services on freelance platforms. Help businesses create better Facebook or Google ads. Or even start an AI email marketing business using tools like Brevo alongside it.
Helping other businesses boost their marketing with AI. Makes sense. Now, ManyChat. Sounds like chatbots.
You got it. ManyChat focuses on AI chatbot automation for businesses.
And the income angle. Building bots for others.
Exactly. Create and sell AI chatbots for e-commerce stores, websites, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses need automated customer support, handling common questions 24/7.
Right.
You could also build and sell more custom, tailored AI chat solutions for specific business needs.
Any idea on potential earnings in the chatbot space?
Well, you could charge clients a monthly retainer, say $5,000 a month per client for management, or offer consultation chats if you build expertise. Estimates range maybe $60,000 to $2,050,000 a month for a chatbot business.
Wow, these are consistently impressive potential figures across different AI applications, but okay, this might seem like a lot for a beginner. Is there a simple starting guide?
Yeah, that 5AI tool source had a neat 4-step guide.
Yeah.
1, pick a tool that fits your skills or interests. 2, create a sample project to show what you can do.
Like a portfolio piece.
Exactly. 3, list your services, freelance sites, social media. 4, scale up. Learn more advanced automation, market your business.
Practical steps. Good. Now, we mentioned email marketing with copy.ai, but there was another source focused just on that, right? The case studies one.
Yes, case studies. Success stories of AI email implementation. Really shows tangible results.
Like Copa Airlines, what did they do?
They used AI to clean their email list, get rid of inactive contacts, and use dynamic content for personalization. Result: better deliverability, more engagement.
Key takeaways there.
Regularly clean your list, personalize content based on data, use dynamic strategies, make emails relevant.
Makes sense. Send the right stuff to the right people. What about Four Ladies Golf?
They used marketing automation to get customer insights. Centralized analytics helped them see which channels work best, tailor campaigns, led to better resource use, higher conversions.
So data is key.
Definitely. Learnings. Centralized analytics, focus on high-performing channels, study inventory reports for budgeting.
Got it. And Birdies, the shoe company.
They saw higher open and conversion rates with personalized email automation, better customer relationships. Automation saves time. A&D boosts engagement. Incentivizing referrals works. And always monitor your email metrics to improve.
It's great seeing these real examples. Really connects back to tools like Copy.ai for the content and maybe ManyChat for integrating chat with email follow-ups.
Okay, broadening out again future trends in content and monetization.
Right, the Exploring the Future article hit on that. AI writing tools like Jasper helping create SEO blogs, reporting like a 40% traffic increase for some.
Wow.
And visual tools like Canva, Lumen 5, streamlining video production, Lumen 5 claiming a 50% cut in production time.
So AI speeds up creation across the board? What about making money from that content?
Key trends. Subscription models using AI curation, think Spotify, reporting better subscriber retention, and AI enhancing ad targeting, leading to higher click-through rates.
So AI helps make content and helps make money from it more effectively. Now, what about people thinking, I can't code? You mentioned no-code platforms.
Absolutely. Things like Fusion.io, Bubble, Adalo, they let you build AI apps without deep coding knowledge.
How does Fusion work? You basically just tell an AI bot what you want the app to do, using prompts.
Seriously?
Yeah. Bubble integrates AI via APIs easily. Adalo uses drag and drop for AI features, makes building AI tools much more accessible.
So the barriers really are coming down. Okay, that final source, the massive 50 best AI tools list,
Yeah.
it covered so much ground. Maybe we can quickly highlight some relevant categories for avatars and making money.
Sure, for AI assistants, beyond ChatGPT, there's Gemini, Google's integration is key, DeepSeek, powerful for research, content, automation. Remember, ChatGPT's new Foral model, too, very capable.
Right, and for video generation and editing, we mentioned Synthesia.
Yes, Synthesia, Runway for text-to-video and advanced editing, Filmora with Clip for polishing. Many have free trials.
Image generation. Midjourney, we know GPT-4 also does images now.
Midjourney's great for artistic stuff. GPT-4o is versatile.
Lighting and grammar, lots there. Right?
Tons. Write-to-write, pseudo-write, good for fiction. Grammarly is classic, WordTune for rephrasing. Crucial for blogs, copy, ebooks. Many have free tiers.
Voice generation.
11 Labs for realism and cloning. Murph for voiceovers. Again, free credits or plans often available.
What about managing social media presence for a business?
Vista Social. FeedHive use AI to help manage and automate content.
Graphic design. Canva keeps coming up.
Canva Magic Studio has AI features. Look is good for logos. Canva's freemium model is great.
App builders. No code, low code.
Bubble, Bolt.new, Lovable, Cursor, VU0. Different ways to build without heavy coding.
Okay, nearly there. Email tools.
HubSpot AI Email Writer, SaneBox for inbox management, Shortwave,
Presentations.
Gamma Presentations.ai, use AI for creation.
Even resume builders.
Keel, Kickersome have AI assistants. Could even be a service to offer others.
Music generation.
Suno, Udio for AI music, useful for video backgrounds. Check commercial rights, though.
And finally, specialized marketing and sales.
Ad Creative for AI ad visuals, Clay for lead generation. More specific tools for scaling.
Phew! That's an incredible toolkit available in 2025. Really shows how accessible AI has become.
It really does. The key thing for listeners is, each tool has its strengths. Explore, find what fits your skills, your interest, what income path you're thinking about.
Okay, we need to talk about the ethical side too. It's crucial.
Absolutely essential. Can't ignore it.
So this AI-generated content, it's made by algorithms trained on vast amounts of data, right?
Exactly. And the market for this generative AI is exploding. Bloomberg projected $1.3 trillion in 10 years.
Yeah.
Driven by tech advances, convenience.
Oh, what are the main ethical red flags we need to watch out for?
Well, plagiarism is a big one. AI models learn from existing stuff, so they might unintentionally reproduce content without credit.
Which could lead to legal issues, damage your brand.
Precisely. AI should augment humans, not just replace or copy them. Human oversight is key.
What else?
Privacy and data protection. Using personal customer info to train AI or generate content without proper consent, that's a huge ethical problem and often illegal under data privacy law.
Right, GDPR, things like that.
Exactly. And then there's the issue of bias. AI models can inherit biases present in their training data.
Meaning the content they create could perpetuate stereotypes or unfairness.
Potentially, yes. That's why diverse training data and, again, human review are so important to try and mitigate that bias. Transparency about using AI is also vital.
So be upfront when content is AI-assisted. Check for plagiarism, be careful with data, and watch out for bias. Seems like common sense, but easy to overlook.
It is. Constant vigilance is needed as the tech evolves.
Well, there you have it. In this deep dive, we've journeyed through the really quite amazing world of AI avatar generators, realistic video ones, artistic images, animated
Whole
characters.
spectrum of digital personas.
And then we explored the huge array of AI tools available in 2025 that you could potentially use to generate income: content creation, freelancing, automation.
Lots of different angles and opportunities opening up.
And importantly, we touched on those critical ethical considerations you need to keep front of mind.
Can't forget those.
So bringing it back to you, our listener, we really hope this deep dive has given you a useful shortcut to understanding these key parts of the AI landscape today. Hopefully efficient, but thorough.
Yeah, trying to cut through the noise a bit.
So as you think about how fast AI is moving, both for creative stuff like avatars and for these economic opportunities, here's a final thought to chew on.
Hmm.
What really exciting new combinations, new possibilities might emerge just around the corner that we haven't even thought of yet? And, what role could you play in that ongoing transformation?
That's a great question to ponder. The pace of change is just
It
incredible.
really is. Food for thought.
Yeah.
Let us know if you have follow-up questions or other areas you'd like us to explore.